In this video, I show you all how I wrap my locks in the scarf. Stay tuned.
And she's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hi you guys, it's your girl She's Royal 85, and I'm not really sure where I'm dancing, but these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a scarf or something to tie your hair up really high. You're also going to need a bonnet to protect your hair while in the scarf. And of course, a scarf itself, something really long. This is what I have. Okay, so first things first, let me take off my earrings. And now I'm attempting to put my hair up in a high ponytail. Almost like oh, excuse me you guys, my husband. He was taking a nap, didn't know I was recording. Okay, so let's finish this. So my hair is I'm putting my hair up in a high ponytail. Almost like I'm pineappling it. Then I'm going to cover that ponytail up, this guy. So I'm going to cover my ponytail with my satin bonnet. Here's my scarf. I wanted to show you guys how long it is. It's like arm length. And it's pretty wide as well, but it's rectangle shape. So here we go. I place it on my head, you guys. And I want some to hang in the front. I also want to make sure that they're even on both sides. So both ends should be even, and you should have a little bit falling in the front so you could cover it, cover your bonnet and your hair. And then you crisscross to the front, and then you want to crisscross in the back. And when it's back in the front, you just want to tie it and tuck the excess into your scarf. And that's it, guys. And now I'm just adjusting. You adjust it to your liking. You tuck what you don't want to be seen. You just want to make it neat. Tuck in the baby locks. Put back on my earrings to complete the look. And there you have it, guys. This is how I wrap my locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.